Let's go with what might be the most famous tapa in Andalusia, Malaga-style chicken campero, a real showstopper.
And toasted. Look, what an amazing sandwich.
Wow, I love it. This is wonderful. We start with a pan with a splash of olive oil, and as soon as it's hot, in go our chicken breasts. We need 2 of these small chicken breasts. To add a pinch of salt, so it has great flavor. Couldn't be easier. We're going to cook the meat on both sides, just flip it over. And don't overdo it. Just 20 seconds. Let's continue with the bread, ciabatta bread, as you call it in your region. Here in Asturias, we call it ciabatta bread too. We cut it in half. Be careful, don't cut yourself. You know knives can be dangerous. There we go. We open it up. We open it up. And we're going to add a generous serving of mayonnaise. It's going to make it juicy, and I guarantee you, it's amazing. There we go. Spread it well, and you'll have this step done in just a few seconds. It won't take you any time at all. It's super easy. We have the bread with our mayonnaise. So, I'll keep this part because the mayonnaise is going to act as glue for me. And here we go with the vegetables. Lettuce and tomato, all washed, all fresh. We chop it up. Be careful with your fingers and make sure you've washed it. Be very careful. Meter slices of tomato and the vegetables are ready. Oops, sorry, I almost forgot. The onion should be thin and to your taste, thin slices. Slowly and carefully, we go back to the bread. There we have the mayonnaise on top of it. The pieces of lettuce we just cut, nice and fresh and clean. This will add freshness and also crunch. We add the tomato, full of juiciness and flavor. If it's a garden fresh tomato, even better. And on top, our onion, which will add even more crunch and a little kick, which I honestly love. Step done. We add cooked ham, 1 slice, and also block cheese, whichever you like. This sabari, any kind that melts well works. Now we fry an egg in a pan, and we do it right. When it's well fried, we flip it to the other side, like this. We go back to our sandwich and add the chicken on top of the cheese, so the heat melts it. There are places that call it chivito, but I think this isn't a chivito. This is a Malaga-style chicken campero. If you want, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. We add the egg. There it is on top. We cover it with the bread, and don't think you're done yet because the best part is still to come. We go to the griddle or a sandwich maker, whichever you prefer. A piece of aluminum foil so you don't make a mess. Smart guy. Press down. Let it cook for 20 seconds. And in no time, it looks like this. Look how crispy it turned out. Let's go to the table. And enjoy. That's it. Your Malaga-style chicken sandwich is ready. Juicy and full of flavor. We made it in just 5 minutes. And I guarantee you, this is a treat for the senses. Crispy, tasty, super delicious. And of course, a classic from Andalusia. Pure perfection. Malaga-style chicken sandwich. You have to make it. You're going to love it.
Notte giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto